This creamy Alfredo pasta has just 550 calories. It's got desi heat, protein, and all the comfort. Let's get started. First, marinate the chicken. In a bowl, add chicken along with vinegar, soy sauce, chili sauce, tandoori masala, garlic powder, salt, and cooking oil. Mix well, cover, and let it rest for 1 hour in the fridge. After an hour, heat a pan and cook the marinated chicken on medium heat until fully cooked and lightly golden. Cook the chicken. Boil the pasta. Boil the Alfredo pasta nests in salted water according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. Make fresh tomato sauce. Place tomatoes in boiling water until the skin starts peeling, about 4-5 minutes. Remove, let them cool slightly, peel the skin. And blend into a smooth puree. Set aside. Let's prepare the sauce and pasta. Serve. In the same pan, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add chopped onion and sauté until translucent. Add garlic paste and cook for a minute. Now pour in the blended tomato sauce and let it simmer until it thickens slightly. Season with salt, black pepper, and dried parsley. Lower the heat and stir in the milk. Mix well until you get a smooth, creamy texture. Add 1 tablespoon cheese for extra creaminess, optional. Add the pasta in the sauce. Toss until well coated and heated through. On a serving plate, place the cooked chicken on one side and the creamy pasta on the other. Serve hot, garnished with fresh parsley or dried herbs on top. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.